Good morning everyone, how you all doing? Today is Friday and today the weather seems to be pretty good. And where I'm heading toward, well, of course, my fucking 9 to 5 job, the office. And yes, for the last 2-3 days it's been quite foggy and kind of a winter days, as you can see, but today it's quite clear and bright and sunshine. What's up, Johnny? So you must be now roast me for screaming on the road, which creates a nuisance out of other people and it distracts others. Easy bro, go easy. So many of you have been complaining that I don't follow my lane. I don't follow my lane. That's the only complaint that you guys been talking. But we Delhiites or we Indian have the habit of exaggerating things. So hell yeah. Well, there have been some cases where we have to do it. Even my viewers are from India itself, and they pretty know what kind of road situation and what kind of other have the sense of driving on the roads. And it is not very practical. This is not the other country, the foreign country. And if you don't like it, dude, you've been not riding for long, I guess, then, or you've been not ride at all if you don't get it. I understand. After you, sir, after you. Good morning to you as well. Pretty hard work day, right? Well, I was quite bored with the other winter gloves, so I thought of wearing the normal casual ones, as they were massive and had a problem in controlling and gripping the handlebars and the accelerators and everything. And you guys been giving support to the last video, that is the problem with the KTM. Yes, I had a problem with the KTM clutch wire, and it was pretty bad. The day was fucked up, but everything happened so quickly that I couldn't. Oh, police wale uncle, jara babu chala, pani chala do.
And his name is John C.
Come on, dude, come on. Why do you have to always do that? You're seeing people coming and even indicators and everything. Sorry for my language. Sorry, very sorry for the language. Thought of, okay, just let's cool down. Because it's just so much of... It increases my blood pressure, that's for sure. Come on, dude, let's go. I don't know. All of a sudden, this red light turns out to be a very long one. And everyone seems to be breaking it. So what needs to be done? We should also break it. We should follow. Bhed chal hai hamari, bhed chal. You know what the other people follow? We Indians tend to follow the same. And it gets trending on the YouTube, on the trending section, and it trends a lot, and it gets millions of views no matter what we have put in. Yeah, some deep shit. And you guys must be wondering, well, I go from this route every day. This is basically a railway station, a small railway station, Delhi Cant. And I've traveled on trains, but I've never used local trains. But my job, when I joined my first initial jobs were I was posted at Manesar, IMT Manesar, and it was hell of a tiring job and a tough day for me, because I need to travel for somewhere around 50-55 kilometers one-sided. Yeah, you got me right, one-sided. And it used to take me around a couple of hours, say 1 or 2, 2 hours probably, and I used to start by 7:30 in the morning and used to reach by 10 o'clock or somewhere around 9:30 or between 10ish, and it used to take half of my day, and I get used to very tired. Then in the evening itself I need to catch the train and used to, but I tell you, the first time I sat on the local train, it was good experience. I thought, you know, it'd be a good experience to hang out at places, and being on a local train, you know, gives the feel that like at least Delhi में रह के अगर ये नहीं किया तो कुछ नहीं किया boss. There was nothing like that. एक मिनट भाई, एक मिनट. I'm sorry for causing the inconvenience, but you know, bikers. Woo! Narrow it down. If you could see me, sir. If you could see me, just move a little bit. Sorry. Thank you so much. ये भाई कुछ भी झंडा लगाने का क्या? भैया जाऊँ क्या अंकल? Thank you uncle. And why do you have to, you know, cut me off like that? Why? I'm not creating content. I'm not, you know, getting into it. I'm just talking. I'm just joking. Yeah, it's almost green light. Come on, let's get you move. Okay, we get the first horn, PP. As soon as we see the signal turn green, and he's the bastard. क्या जल्दी निकल जाएगा कैसे भाई? नहीं ना. You won't. What are you gonna do? 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 कहाँ हो रो भैया, कहाँ हो रो? I guess I lost the soul of the talk. Wear helmet. Always wear helmet. So you guys must be wondering why I'm screaming at the top of the voice. Well, you wanted me to talk for long, so I'm talking. Plus I don't have content right now, so I guess I'll entertain you, I'll discuss, I'll talk to you guys. That's what the most important thing for a motovlogger is. Right, yeah, damn right, yeah. Hey, you ugly, you your daddy's son, hey. So it's gonna take time. Switch off your engines and just relax and watch other fellows, that's for sure, doing stupid things. I've seen people, you know, you're standing at the back of the you know, in a queue or anything, and once they see a green light they just honk. What the fuck just happened? 562 Motorsports, alright, he's been to a rally and all. Motocross 562, just save the petrol. You know, that's the best thing. Once there's a lot of silence, you can't talk loudly because other people think that, you know, you're kind of a retard who's talking to himself and then looks at the camera and like, oh yeah, there's a camera over there. I've even been asked by one of a fellow rickshawala who said that, is it a oxygen mask that you're wearing? Come on bro, come on. An oxygen mask, that too on a helmet. But yes, I know you guys might be, you know, all motovloggers and everything might be getting these kind of random questions about the action camera. So if you have the funniest one, do write in the comment section below. And you can, you know, see planes crossing and they look huge. Actually they are huge, but they look huge. The Airbus, oh my god, it's like GAWWWWWD, god. Ooh, too tight, too close. If you could move, Sirji, talking on phone, Sirji. You should be ashamed of yourself. So what else? Oh wow, is this the new Innova? I've heard that a new Innova comes for a higher price, and it looks like, yeah, it is the one. It looks damn good. It looks more muscular now. Not like, you know, bullet train with the sorry for the wrong gesture. It doesn't look you know, like a beak of some birds and all. because the structure was something different, but now it is quite, it looked muscular. It got balls, yeah. What? The helmet is for decoration or what? You're not gonna wear it? Oh, बाल खराब हो जाएंगे लौंडे के. ओहो, हाथों पे आ गया झुकल रुमाल आपका, रुमाल आपका. And the blinkers are on. Do you remember the Chak De Fate last scene when Vidya Nair, some lady who the goalkeeper was, I don't remember.
ये शॉट लेफ्ट की तरफ मारेगी, इसकी हॉकी स्टिक लेफ्ट को है. हाँ, लेकिन इसका पैर तो राइट की तरफ है, राइट को शॉट मारेगी. नहीं, लेफ्ट की तरफ हॉकी, राइट लेफ्ट. या खुदा, ये तो सीधा शॉट लेगी.
इसने इंडिकेटर तो लेफ्ट का दे रखा है, बट ये देख राइट की तरफ है, मगर लगता है ये राइट मारेगा. नहीं, बट इसकी नजरें तो लेफ्ट की तरफ है. ओ नहीं, ये तो सीधा जाएगा. Yeah, you know exactly. Yes, I know you had a laugh, and that's what people do. And this is what reminds me of these dumbass bitches. What's up, uncle? Hey, Johnny! Whoa! क्या भाई? बिन बोले दिल से दिल की बात चले फिर या. I tell you, sir, find them. बहुत बढ़िया. It's so difficult for me, you know, to open my visor and vlog because the pollution, the dust, the hell lot, I don't know what other pollution from the cars and black smoke. Gonna affect my eyes, bro. I'm gonna lose my eyesight. You know why I'm doing this all shit? Uncle, you're on phone, that's for sure. He left it. He left it before I could get him on camera. What the fuck? What kind of... It looks damn ridiculous. Bullshit car. Yeah, that's a good one. That's my favorite. Nano. Quite simple and sleek. But this one, Mahindra KUV 100. What the fuck have you done to the car? I seriously doubt your choice, sir. सामने से देखा, पीछे से देखा, साइड से नहीं देखा क्या? You know, it looked like a big cap, or you know, dude, Hrithik Roshan going to his vanity van, I guess. बाल खराब हो जाएंगे ना हेलमेट पहनने से. लौंडे हमारे तेज है वैसे दिल्ली के. They know when to wear and when not to wear. थोड़ा टेंशन आया है, ट्रैफिक हुआ, लौंडिया देखेंगी, गाड़ी रुकी हुई है, you know, stuck in a jam and all shit. 3-4 लड़कियां तो मतलब कि गिर ही जाएंगी. और उसके बाद तो आपको फ़ोन नंबर. Hey, can I have your phone number, dude? The one who's not wearing the helmet. Hey, can I have your number, please? Can we go out for a dinner? Oh yeah. Oh, you gotta think that's not the case. That's not gonna happen at all. कहाँ गए भाई साहब हमारे? Hey, what's up? Hey. Bag? मेरा? Oh shit! He thought I was just giving him a fist bump, and he thought that I'm warning him about his bag being open. What a ridiculous people out there! I'm just loving it today. I'm just loving it. But that guy was hilarious. He thought that I'm pointing out at things like his bag is open or something's falling out. But bro, it was just a bro fist, bro. Bro fist. I hope you know what I mean, bro fist. Uncle, that's a good habit of walking every day. No, don't jump. Don't jump. ए खुदकुशी नहीं करना बॉस. Oh my god, that's a brand new car. Mind में touch कितना, uncle में touch कितना. Uncle gets offended, I don't know why. ये सारा मेरी गाड़ी टच कर रहा है बे. वो बंदर, साला बंदर. He just gave me a heart attack for a second. And if you haven't watched it, I slow it down right now. Can I go, sir? Can I go? Thank you so much. Thank you. आपके बच्चे जिएंगे, आपका खून पिएंगे. That's what kids are supposed to do, right? To their parents. खून पी लिया इन्होंने, हमारा खून. I used to get a lot. Hey, uncle, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. What are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking at? I said sorry, bro. Why do you need to honk every now and then? Hey, what's up, uncle? Hey, look forward. Oh, you guys gonna crash, right? You're gonna crash, right? After you, sir. After you. Congrats me on, completing my 2 years with the KTM. Oh, ले. बहुत ही अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही है भाई. बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही है भाई लोगों. वाह कसम. इतना साथ दिया ना इस बाइक ने, इतना साथ दिया. I love you bro. ना ये मेरी लॉन्डिया वॉन्डिया कुछ नहीं है. No girlfriend, I don't treat her like a lady and all. It's kind of a bro. That's why I keep it always messy, you know. Hey, Messi फुटबॉल वाला Messi नहीं भाई. Messi I like. समझ गया हो ना तुम. क्यों समझा रहे हैं? सही पकड़े हैं. Auntie, just watch. I have a big question mark out here as to what she's gonna do. So I always keep him dirty. I don't take care of him much. But yeah, he's kind of a bro to me, you know. He can handle all the things by himself. And I'm there. I got your back, bro. You got mine. I got yours. Back. Hey. If you like the videos, comment down below, hit the like button, share, subscribe to the channel. I know you guys have been following me for a long time, but it's not that hard to press the subscribe button and the bell button for the notification.